This one-of-a-kind property is situated in a prime location and is comprised of a restaurant building with a GBA of 4,850 square feet. It includes a total of 3 parcels on a totaling 2.37 acres. The property is currently 100% occupied by the owner's restaurant business. The entire building was rebuilt from the slab up in 2013. The building is in impeccable condition. The parking lot was completely repaved in November 2021. The physical address of the subject is commonly referred to as 1615 Meadowway Drive. However, according to Bexar County records, the subject parcels are identified as being located at 8019 Marbach Road and 3409 Meadow Drive, San Antonio, Texas 78251. The building features a reception/waiting area, 2 open dining areas, kitchen/prep area with 1 walk-in cooler, a total of 2 restrooms, and an office/storage area on the second floor. Development in the immediate area includes a Golden Walk restaurant to the west, a Habitat for Humanity facility neighboring to the west, and New Church neighboring to the north. To the north is the San Antonio Event Center. There are 2 out-parcel pad sites improved with an IHOP and an Action Pond. Other developments surrounding the Loop 410 and Marbach intersection include Long John Silver's, McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Whataburger, Jim's and Jack in the Box, a neighborhood shopping center, and automotive stores of Firestone, Pep Boys, and Discount Tire. Another significant development in the area are HEB Plus Community Shopping Center, Westover Marketplace, Lackland Air Force Base located along the south side of Highway 90 just east of Loop 410. Lackland AFB is home to the 37th Training Wing and employs thousands of military and civilian personnel. Residential backup in the area is heavy with subdivisions in the area to include Rainbow Hills, Adams Hill, Lackland Terrace, Kelland Heights, and Meadow Village. Schools in the area include J High School, Silver Spoons Preschool, Liberty Christian Academy,